Options Trading Authorities, POP's TRIPWIRE Profit Quick Grab Options Trading System and Strategy Review. This is the review of this very, very, very powerful system. Now, what's POPs? I mean, it's popcorn, someone's grandpa. No, POPs is a quick, high velocity momentum trigger based off a price chart that we look to coordinate an entry and coordinate that entry into with an options position so we can do what? So we can make money, and a lot of it really fast. All right, so I think that sounds like a good idea for most people. So POPs is fast trading. We trade the day bars on this system, and it's a high velocity type of swing trade, and it's pretty nifty. Wait till you see the performance sample from the system as we move forward. But ultimately, this POPs line looks to just focus on the high velocity, fast opportunities. Why do we like fast with options? Well, for buying options, we like fast because premium decay. We don't have to deal with decay, and the faster we move, the shorter time frame to expiration we can play, and the shorter we can get to expiration, then the higher delta we can have. So, as we get 3 weeks out, 2 weeks out, 1 week out, our option prices will be cheaper, and the deltas we'll get higher deltas faster. Let me put it that way. So, therefore, we can make a much larger return playing 1 to 2 week options versus some other method. Now, this method it allows for the moves to develop. So, not like a big move, just a high velocity, 2-3 day on average. But sometimes we'll let this thing, if it's not triggering our trail method, we're going to let it go and keep making us money. So, but we want the type of move that can tend to lead towards the high velocity follow through in price on the stock. So we can buy that option and then get out with profit. So this method we'll want to maybe not get the last week options for the sake of the premium decay, which is very rapid, but you really can go pick and choose your own. Now, another option another way to put on your options positions is that you can mix it up. You can buy one option position with more time on it, and you can see what you can roll out of a cheaper near-term weekly option. Maybe you have something in the same week and take the meat of the move out in this week. But also, you can reduce some of the risk with the same week expiration by just going closer to the going a little in the money. Now, that's going to increase your risk of amount of capital involved, but due to the time left, by going in the money, less premium is at risk, and you get to the high deltas right away. And also those slightly in the money options have they're a lot cheaper because the premium is pretty low. Okay, so now those in the money options seem more affordable. Okay, and therefore the opportunity is there. Now, that could be part of your position strategy, whereas you can do a part there and then a part with maybe 4, 5, 6 week at options if you want if you want very little premium decay, you go out further. So hopefully you understand how premium decay works. If you don't, just get our Options 101 course. Okay, let's check this out over here. Now, POP's TRIPWIRE. Here's the presentation page as of this point in time, although it needs a little work. You can see here. Now, here's how we're doing the track record. Now, we're doing this, so whereas we're not looking to use stop losses. All right, it's a type of position. You can. I mean, it's built in the system. I mean, it's in the course, should be. But we're taking the approach here of either it's going to go or not, and so we're putting our money management position sizing into our initial position. So 0 means the trade loss, but also when we don't use stop loss, some of these trades come back later if we have enough time, and they can do very well. But just check this out. 0 means the options position is blanked out. Okay, so and then you can see all the winning positions. You can also see that the amounts of points taken is pretty strong. Okay, and we just rounded out these numbers. All right, so it's pretty strong in general. This method is able to take a lot of mileage, as you can see here. So we go from January 2016 through December 2016, 1 year. Google's yielding 850 points. Now, this isn't a stock result, because if you had stock results, you'd have to take the zeros and put in the negative numbers for the stop losses, but the negative numbers wouldn't be that, it wouldn't be very dramatic, okay, so in comparison. So, but if you look here, 78%, 79% winning. That's huge. Okay, I mean, with a solid option system and that type of winning percentage, that's a type of system that could potentially take you to the moon. Okay, but I can't guarantee you returns and all that stuff. But to be able to trade a great system, a great method, and put you in that position to score, then that's just fantastic. I mean, look at this. Only 8 losses, so it's basically 80%. Okay, so that's it. I just want to give you an overall picture. I'm going to review what this system is all about. You can come to the website at Options Trading Authority to find out more, and that's about it. So if you're not on this site, come to Options Trading Authority. If you are, you can scroll down below, click the Add to Cart button to go buy it, or contact us if you have any questions. Thanks.